Serving your country is something that profoundly resonates with me as an individual. What it means to me to have served for 10 years, I would not trade it for anything. My name is Lindsey Chrismon, and I'm a student at Harvard Business School. I went to West Point, so the United States Military Academy. I was the fourth woman in West Point history to be appointed as the first captain, which means that I was ranked #1 out of all 4,400 cadets while I was there. After I graduated from West Point, I then went and commissioned as an aviation officer in the United States Army. I flew the Apache helicopter for about 4 years, and then I went over to Special Operations and was the first female in U.S. Army history to fly the AH-6 Little Bird for the 160th Special Operations Aviation Regiment, where I flew for about 6 years. It's the most elite helicopter force on the planet, honestly. If you had asked all of my friends in the military, my classmates from West Point, they probably would have said, oh, Linz is gonna stay in, she's gonna be a general one day, like there's no way she's getting out of the military, she's gonna do a career of 20 years. But I did feel at a certain point intellectually capped. I wanted to experiment and get out in the world and do other things that was a different chapter and face different challenges. And I just figured that there's no better opportunity, no better time in my career to pursue my MBA and then become an entrepreneur myself. And I actually wrote in my West Point yearbook that I wanted to go to Harvard Business School. So when I first got to HBS, I was incredibly intimidated by everyone. I mean, it had been 10 years since I had been in an academic setting. It was just so enlightening to see how much more to the world there is than just what I knew. And I don't know, I felt like I was opening my aperture to so many more opportunities and experiences and learning from my classmates that I would have never been even close to touching. About a year ago, my husband and I started our second venture together. It's called Oply. We're creating a very proactive approach to homeownership. With our technology that we've developed, we can actually anticipate what's going to happen and then book those services so that it elongates the life of your major systems of your home to prevent those large losses. The amount of support that I received, whether it's through all of the programs like the Rock Center, the iLab, my professors, that is a huge benefit to being an HBS student. It's just, I don't know, it's been very surreal.